It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. What's good, y'all? That's fake. I ain't got no energy. I ain't got no coffee. Coffee went up and down the wrong pipe. Like, I ain't got no energy. But what was I about to say? Almost 1,000 subs, y'all. Almost 1,000 subs. It don't really make no sense. And I'm burnt out too. That's what's fucked up about it. Y'all gonna think I manipulated y'all. Cause I'm tired. I might just stop doing this as soon as I get to 1,000. It's like cut the cord. But I'm just joking. Hit the subscribe, hit the comment, hit the like, hit the share. I get like that at times, and I get my second win. You know, it happens. Sometimes I be getting my second win in the middle of a video. You know, I'm weird like that. I'm weird like that. Yeah, Moseefus got a Patreon. Moseefus got a Cash App, and Moseefus is on PayPal. That's all you need to know about that. Ain't no begging over here. I don't like that begging shit. Like, I really don't. I really don't. I do appreciate all the support though. I just appreciate the donations and support. Um, it goes into stuff, you know what I mean? And lights and shit, and it goes into my pocket. It goes into my mother effing pocket, and I appreciate it. But we're gonna do shuffle. They added newest shuffle. Let's go. Cause ain't nobody in the chat right now. What's gonna pop up for us? What? Ooh, ooh. Oh man, oh man. This is a classic, man. This is a classic. Y'all ain't know nothing about this, man. This is middle school history right there. They was beefing with Bone, matter of fact. Do or die, beefing with Bone. They like Chicago cats. They came up after Twister, yeah, but their whole gimmick was a pimp gimmick. But this song right here is killer. I remember used to look this up on Napster. Used to say featuring Busy Bone. This ain't no goddamn Busy Bone. There's some dude named JP, but he killed this shit. Oh man, he dead. RP to Johnny P, man. But yeah, check this out. This is I never really thought they sounded anything like Bone. I thought like Crucial Conflict, yeah, and 3-6 at times, but never Do or Die. They never really sound like Bone. Their flow wasn't nah. I don't know what that was about. Did they really beef? I don't know. If anybody check this out in the comments, let me know like what was the actual beef between Do or Die and Bone. Like, did they ever throw shots? I know Twister threw shots, and he was with the Speed Knot Monster. But I don't know about Do or Die. I ain't had no dream about no girl named Alexis. I'll never dream about Alexis ever again in my life. And I want my Nintendo Switch back. That wasn't nice. She was cool. I want my Nintendo Switch back though. I want my Nintendo Switch. 2 years now, huh? Spelling. That man did not need to do all that. You know, he went in. I felt the power. Johnny P did him. It's my shit. It's my shit. What? You know what? We rolling. Nah, we do this next. We do this next. Oh man, y'all call me the vibe. Y'all call me the vibe. I love that song. That's next. That's next. Listen, we all off schedule. We all off cue. We doing non-shuffles. We ain't got nobody in the chat. We just doing what I want to do right now. You know? Fuck it. What are rules, man? What are rules? What are rules? We may all die tomorrow. All right.